Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel OCS by Ranjan. आमर OCS by Ranjan आप रे टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट हो सारी आपण माने जॉइन करि परिबे एवं आप रे थिबा चैट बॉक्स रे डिटेल्स आपण माने सार को सह चैट करि परिबे किंबा नंबर टे लिखि नियंतु व्हाट्सएप करि परिबे सार को 7978405181 टेस्ट सीरीज जॉइन करि परिबे जहा द्वारा आपणकर प्रिपरेशन वेस्ट रहिबो एवं भलो यूनिवर्सिटी मिली पारिबो। चलंतु आज आम डिस्कस करिबा 2022 ज्योग्राफी सीपीईटी क्वेश्चन पेपर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पेनिनसुलर रिवर ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन सी कृष्णा। Which of the following types of soil are mostly confined to river basins and coastal plains of India? Option A, alluvial soil. Question number 3, which of the following groups accounts for over 90% of India's annual coal production? Option B, Bihar, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 4, which of the following important rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Option D, Mahanadi. The oldest mountains in India are option A, Aravals. Question number 6, which of the following Union territories of India has the largest density of population per square kilometer? Option C, Delhi. Which atomic power station in India is built completely indigenously? Option A, the year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. Option B, 1921. The Redcliffe line is a boundary between option A, India and Pakistan. Which among the following is the major factors responsible for the monsoon type of climate in India? Option D, the Yarlung-Jangbo river in India is known as option C, Brahmaputra. Which of the following cities has the largest population? Option D, the earth is at the largest distance from the sun on option C, July 4th. The light of sun takes how much time to reach the earth? Option B, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Who proposed continental drift theory? Option A, Alfred Wegener. For a time difference of 2 hours, the longitudinal distance will be equal to option B, 30 degree. When the moon completely covers the sun, it is known as option 7, none of these. यार करेक्ट आंसर हम कौन? द सोलार एक्लिप्स. Which of the following pair is correct? Option D. Question number 19. The Moho discontinuity separates. Option D. The international deadline deflects to a side to avoid. Option D, all of the above. The process of water getting evaporated from the surface of leaves is known as option C, antipodes are option B, Question number 23. Sandstone is an option A. Which of the following pair is wrong? Option C. The word isonaph represents the lines of equal. Option A. Question number 26. The tide at its maximum height is known as option C. Spring tide. The phenomenon of an opening occurring in the earth's surface through which a jet of hot water and steam is forced out at irregular intervals is called option B. The instrument to measure the area of maps is called option A. The surface of Earth that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called option D. Which of the statements given are correct? Option A 1, 2 and 3. The upper part of the mantle upon which is crust of the earth float is called option D. The point below the surface where an earthquake originates is called option B. Focus. Question number 33. Albedo is defined as option D. The clouds. The amount of in isolation reflected back the space by the top of atmosphere by clouds and ice covered areas of earth's surface. Question number 34. Warm dry winds blowing down the east slope of Rockies are known as option D. What is the true with regard to jet streams? Option C. The amount of actual water vapor of air is known as option A. Absolute humidity. Which of the following is the cloud that is dark grey or black, found at very low height and brings the real rain? Option D. Which of the following layer of Earth's atmosphere provide ideal flying condition for jet aircraft? Option C. Stratosphere. Doldrums are option B. What is the major role of greenhouse gas that contributes to temperature rise of the Earth's surface? Option D. The instrument for measuring relative humidity is air is option A. Which of the following is wrongly characterized? Option D. In atmosphere of the primitive Earth there is no oxygen. Beaufort scale is used to measure air pressure. Which one of the following is not a landform which results due to rejuvenation of a river? Option C. The Panama Canal links. Option D. The ideal conditions for coral growth are option A. When almost all elevated portions are worn down by river erosion, reducing an area to almost to plain region, it is term as option D. Question number 49. Which of the following is meant by an archipelago? Option B. Group of islands. Synclines and anticlines are the terms associated with option B. The gentle seaward sloping surface from the coast is called option A. Which one of the following plate movement is responsible for the formation of mid-ocean ridge? Option A. In India, the state with highest density of population is option B. Bihar. The growth rate of population means option D. Difference between birth rate and death rate. There is no scheduled tribe population in Punjab. The Indian state which lowest sex ratio is Haryana. (57) Direction given below are two statements, one labeled ascertain and other labeled reason. In the context of this statement, which of the following is correct? Option A. (58) Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Option D. Which of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of use of ozone depleting substances? Option C. Question number 60. The most important strategy for the conversion of biodiversity together with traditional human life is establishment of option A. Question number 61. Identify the ecosystem in which the pyramid of biomass is inverted. Option A. A teacher asks students to identify their favorite reality television show. What type of measurement scale do the different television shows make up? 62A. 63. A linear regression equation y is equal to a plus bx. What is the b denote? Option A. 64. Death of a newly born child before reaching 1 year of age is called as option C. Remote sensing techniques makes use of the properties of dash emitted, reflected or diffracted by the sensed object. Option C. The median of a frequency distribution is found graphically with the help of option D. In which district of Odisha Balimela reservoir is located? Option C. According to 2011 census, which district of Odisha had minimum literacy rate? Option C. Environment presents a range of opportunities and man is free to choose between them. The basic premise in geography is known as option C. Question number 70. Which concept is used by Carl Ritter to refer cohesion among diverse things? Option C.